Did you know you can save over $1,000 by upcycling furniture instead of buying new? Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my space into a stunning boho farmhouse look, all without breaking the bank. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of a budget-friendly makeover where I combine two of my favorite styles, boho and farmhouse. If you're looking to create a cozy, stylish home without overspending, this is for you. Let's face it, home decor can get expensive fast. Whether it's a new couch, decorative accents, or statement lighting, the price tags often discourage people from even trying. Many of us want that trendy, Pinterest-worthy space, but don't have thousands to spend. I've been there. That's why I challenged myself to create a beautiful boho farmhouse vibe using affordable materials, second-hand finds, and a few simple DIYs. I started with a clear vision, warm tones, natural textures, and a mix of rustic and modern elements. I hit up a few local thrift stores and was surprised by how many hidden gems I found: wooden trays, vintage mirrors, baskets, and ceramic vases. I also gave a fresh coat of paint to an old side table and turned a plain wall into a boho-inspired focal point using stencils and dried pampas grass. Layering textures with throw blankets, rugs, and pillows brought the space to life without costing a fortune. And now, here it is, the final reveal. You'll notice the cozy layers, the blend of modern and rustic, and how the neutral color palette brings everything together. What was once a plain space now feels like a warm, inviting retreat filled with personality and charm. This makeover proves that with creativity and resourcefulness, you can create a high-end look on a real-world budget. Whether you're working with what you already have or exploring thrift stores and DIY projects, you can bring your vision to life without overspending. If you found these ideas helpful, drop a comment with your favorite budget decorating tip, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY and makeover inspiration. Let's dive in for more ideas.